Good day to all. My name is Shivagangatharani, Assistant Professor from IT Department, Kamaraj College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to see how to create a wallet in MetaMask and how to deploy a smart contract in Ethereum Testnet. Let's move to the topic. First, we are going to see how to create a wallet account in MetaMask. Just type MetaMask in Google. MetaMask.io, this is the official MetaMask site. Just click the link. Then click Get MetaMask. Now you can see Add it to Chrome. Click it. Then click Add extension. MetaMask is a cryptocurrency wallet and a gateway to blockchain apps. It allows users to manage their Ethereum based asset and interact with decentralized applications directly from a browser or mobile device. Actually, it works as a browser extension and a mobile app. Based on the browser, it differs. Once the MetaMask is installed, it will show a notification like that. Then the official web page will be loaded automatically. Click Get Started. Read the terms of use. Then click Agree. Now we are going to create a new wallet. Here we have a 3-step procedure to open an wallet. First one is set a password. Just give a password. Confirm the password. Then click Create Password. Second one is get a secret recovery phrases. Get started. It is the only way to restore your wallet if you lost your device or forget your password. I am going to take a copy of that phrases first. Then click Continue. Third step is recovery phrase confirmation. We need to select the missing word in correct order. Anyone with this phrase can access your crypto and tokens. So we need to be more careful to secure the phrases. Installation is completed. We successfully created the wallet account. This is account name and this is account address. Then click the menu button and click account details option. Here you can change your account name. Now we are in Ethereum mainnet but we not have the original Ether coin. For our testing purpose, we are going to switch our account from mainnet to testnet. I will tell you later. Before that, just click details. You can get your account address in the form of QR code and a 256 hexadecimal value. To change your account to testnet, just click the down arrow. Enable the test network. Then select the Sefolia testnet. Now we switch our account into Sefolia testnet environment, but still we have a zero balance. To get enough balance, search Sefolia in Google and click Google Cloud link. Here you can get 0.05 Sefolia Ether coin. First, copy your account address, then paste your wallet address here. Then click receive button. It takes few minutes. Once the process is completed, go to your account just to refresh the page. You can see the changes in your account balance. Now you have a zero point zero 0.05 Sifolia Ether coin. Next, we are going to write a smart contract. Just type remix in Google, you will get the link. Click Remix Online IDE. Remix Online IDE is a browser based IDE. It used for develop, deploy, and test the smart contract and Ethereum blockchain. We can write Solidity code directly in the browser, then compile and deploy the smart contract to testnet or Ethereum mainnet. This is the opening page of Remix Online IDE. This is a workspace. You can find some default smart contract in this. Now we are going to use one of the default smart contract in this. Now we are going to use the storage.sol. .sol extension shows that the smart contract is written in Solidity language. The first line shows the version of the Solidity. Next, the contract code is started with the keyword contract. The contract name is storage. Inside the contract, we have a variable number. It is 256 unsigned variable. Then we have one function store. It will receive one value from user and store the value into the number variable, which means inside the blockchain. The second function is retrieve. It will retrieve the value of the number variable. Now we are going to compile the smart contract. Click Solidity compiler. Now click compile storage.sol file. Once the file is compiled successfully, you will get the ABI and bytecode. ABI is used by D apps to interact with the contract. Bytecode is a machine level code the Ethereum virtual machines understands and run. Go to the deploy and run transaction button. Before deploy the smart contract, we need to set the environment and connect our wallet account into it. Now our account is under Sephora Test Network. So select the environment as Sephora Testnet. Once you select the environment, you will receive one connect request notification from MetaMask. When you click connect, your account connected with the Remix IDE. You can see your account number and balance here. Now we are going to deploy the storage smart contract. Click deploy. In the Ethereum, to deploy the smart contract, we need to pay the net fees. When you click the deploy, the remix sends a request to MetaMask. You can see the notification window. Just to confirm the fees, now our contract is deployed successfully. Just scroll down the workspace window. After deploy the smart contract, you can see the deployed contract. In that, you can find the storage.sol file. We know our contract have a two function. First, we are going to call the storage function. I'm going to give an input value to store into the blockchain. Now click the store button. When you click the store button, it store the input value into number variable, which means we are going to write something into the blockchain. For that, we need to pay the net fees. You can see the transaction request window to pay the transaction fees. Just confirm the button. Now our input value is stored inside the blockchain. By using the retrieve function, you can get the value of number variable which is stored inside the blockchain. To retrieve a data from the blockchain, we no need to pay the transaction fees. So that's why when you call the retrieve function, it will not ask any transaction fees. Here you can see the value which is stored in the number variable, which means which is stored inside the blockchain. Now we successfully deployed the smart contract into the Ethereum testnet. Now you can see the remaining balance of your account. Hope you will understand how to create a wallet in MetaMask and how to deploy a smart contract in Ethereum testnet. Thank you.